Mexican-style chicken tray bake. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Line a deep baking tray with baking paper. Combine the chicken thigh cutlets and taco seasoning in a large bowl. Chicken thigh cutlets give you that delicious crispy skin. Pour the mild tomato salsa evenly over the base of the tray. Arrange pumpkin, onion, capsicum and cherry tomatoes over the salsa. Top with the spiced chicken and drizzle with oil. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes until the vegetables are tender and the chicken is golden brown and cooked through. Then take some sour cream and stir in chili sauce and lime juice. Season with salt and pepper. To finish the tray bake, arrange avocado and radish over the top. All you need for this one-pan wonder is some fresh lime wedges to squeeze over and some Chilli-lime cream. For more fuss-free dinner ideas, head to our Easy Weeknight Meals playlist here.